All right, today I have a Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer on this particular Chevy Trailblazer. I'm going to show you how to do it for this vehicle, as well as the rear washer and wiper. I'm going to show you how to turn them both on and off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in my Chevy Trailblazer, and in order to turn on the windshield wipers, what I'll have to do is first look through the steering wheel, and you'll see this lever right here. Clever lever, right? All right, it says right here, okay, if I take this lever and I pull it downwards one time, it's going to wipe a mist off of the windshield, okay? Occasionally you get mist on the windshield, and you need it wiped off, or maybe something splatters on your windshield and you need to get off. So you just go ahead and take this, pull it down, it wipes just like that. I'm gonna do it again so you can see it. It wipes just like that, all right? And that is just a one wipe, okay? So now if I release it, it goes back to the off position, okay? Now, the next one is interval, okay? So I go up one, and then I can set the interval right here, okay? See it? It's wiping right here. Well, it was. Once it detects, there it is. And then after that, I can go to the low. So up one, and it is in the low position right here. All right, and then if I go up one more, it goes to the high position, just right there. That's for the torrential rainfall. Now, when I want to turn it off, I simply just take this and go all the way down like that. All right, so there you have that. Now, on to the washer for the windshield. Okay, so say for instance, you need to wash the windshield because you got something splattered on it and you just need to clean it off. You take this lever and then you pull it towards you. Look at that. And it's cleaning the windshield. And it's going to continue until I release the lever and it turns off like that. Did you see that? Well, that's because I pulled it on. And it stops. All right, so now we've done that for the windshield. Now we're going to do for the rear window. Now, for the rear window, you can turn on the wiper by simply turning this knob. It goes into the interval. You can adjust the interval. And then you can just have it on, and you can see that it's wiping right there. Boosie, right there. It's wiping down, all right? And then, all right, so that's that. And when you want to turn it off, just go back to the off position. Now, in order to turn on the washer for the rear window, you just simply take this lever and do the opposite of what you did for the windshield, which is you have to push this. And so I'm going to push this, and you look at that, and washer fluid's going on the back, and it's wiping the back down, webby. All right, so and release it, and it goes back to normal. And that is how you turn on and off the windshield wiper, the rear window wiper, the windshield washer, the rear window washer, and this particular Chevy Trailblazer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for washing and wiping, and watching.